In a world where disasters strike without warning, the difference between panic and preparation is the gear you carry. Whether it's a blackout, a flood, or a sudden emergency on the road, survival depends on tools that work when nothing else does. In this video, we're breaking down 5 essential survival products every urban prepper should own. From a tactical flashlight that can break you out of a trapped car, to a water filter that lets you drink straight from a stream. These aren't just gadgets. They're lifelines. Compact, powerful, and built for chaos. These are the tools designed to keep you alive when the systems around you fail. Let's take a closer look at what could save your life when things go dark. Number 1, tactical flashlight with glass breaker. When the power's out or you're stranded at night, a reliable flashlight isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. This tactical flashlight is engineered for more than just lighting the way. Its ultra-bright LED pierces through complete darkness, while the durable, waterproof body stands up to rain, drops, and extreme conditions. But its most powerful feature? The built-in glass breaker. In a car crash or flood, this hardened steel tip shatters windows in seconds, giving you a fast escape when every second counts. With multiple light modes and a rechargeable battery, it's a compact tool you'll want in your car, your home, and your emergency bag. Because in the dark, preparation is your brightest defense. Number 2, solar power bank with hand crank. No power? No problem. This solar power bank keeps your phone, GPS, and radio alive when the grid is down. Charge it in the sun or use the hand crank for instant power anytime, anywhere. It's water-resistant, shock-proof, and built to survive the toughest conditions. Lightweight, compact, and ready for blackouts, camping, or roadside emergencies, so you're never left in the dark.
Number 3, personal water filter straw. In a survival situation, clean water is your most urgent need. This personal water filter straw turns rivers, lakes, and even dirty puddles into safe drinking water in seconds. Its advanced filtration system removes 99.99% of bacteria and parasites. No chemicals, no batteries, no moving parts. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it's the perfect backup for hiking, camping, or emergencies. When every drop counts, this little straw can be the difference between thirst and survival. Number 4, emergency hand crank. NOAA radio. When disaster strikes, information is as vital as food and water. This emergency NOAA radio keeps you connected to official weather alerts and critical news when the power's out. It works with solar charging, a hand crank, or USB, so it's always ready, day or night. With a built-in flashlight and phone charger, it's more than just a radio, it's a lifeline. Compact, durable, and reliable, it ensures you're never caught off guard when every second counts.
Number 5, urban bug-out sling bag. When you need to move fast, you need a bag that's ready for anything. This urban bug-out sling bag is compact, lightweight, and built for quick access to your gear. With multiple compartments, it keeps essentials organized, from first aid to tools and tech. Durable, water-resistant, and comfortable to carry, it's perfect for city commutes, emergencies, or everyday preparedness.